Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Cadillac DTS, stock number Z7514X. Only 59,000 miles on this DTS. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Radiant silver metallic in color. The DTS is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Cavernous trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean for the year. This DTS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, heated as well as ventilated front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Power seats. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 59,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror with compass display. Under the hood, this DTS has a 4.6 liter V8, 275 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this DTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.